dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting braids, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fight pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Chestnut Brown 5x5 Closure Lace Wig. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, you already know, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Let's get into this install. Starting off with the cap construction, it does have 4 combs in total. 1 in the back, the other 3 are at the front, with one of those 3 being in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. With that security band, you can adjust it to your liking, but you can also remove it if you need to do so, or you can adjust where you want it placed because there are slots on each side of the unit for you to adjust it at. Like I stated earlier, this is a 5x5 closure, so therefore you do get 5 inches going across and 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. If you are someone who's not in the business with dealing with full-on frontals, then this unit is right up your alley. I say that because of the 5x5 lace closure space. You don't have a whole lot of lace to deal with, so therefore you don't really have to worry about glues and sprays and whatnot. You can honestly wear this unit glueless, but because I am me, I'm technically wearing it glueless still, but I did go ahead and spray it down just to hold it in place. I did decide that I wanted to cut some layers into this unit, so that's what you're seeing me doing currently. But while I do this, I am going to go ahead and go over some of the product details that are listed on the website for this unit. It says that this unit is 100% human hair from one donor. It can last 1 or more years, and of course that's with the proper care. It says that the color is a chestnut brown, that the hairline is pre-plucked, that it can be dyed because again it is 100% human hair. It has adjustable straps. Their circumference is a 22.5 inch, which means that's their standard medium. The lace area is again 5x5 inches, and the parting comes in a defaulted middle part, but you can switch it to a side part if you choose to do so. Now, for the most part, I agree with everything that is stated on the website. The only thing I'm not completely agreeing with is the pre-plucked hairline. You'll see me work on that a little bit later in the video, but to me, this hairline was very dense. I received little to no shedding or tangling on this unit, which is always a plus. And as far as the density goes, I want to say it's about a 150 to maybe a 180% density. It doesn't feel extremely thin, but it also doesn't feel extremely thick. This unit is offered in 3 different lengths, 16, 20, and 24 inches. I received the 24 inch, and on the website, the model is wearing a 20 inch unit. For me, I did go ahead and cut about 2 inches off of the bottom of the unit just because it was looking a little bit scraggly, I don't know which word it is to me, but also because I wanted a somewhat blunt cut on the bottom. But I have been talking enough, so I'm going to take a little break and I'll come back in just a second.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I didn't want girl. Yeah. Oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Yeah. Wherever you this whole time, come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Wherever you this whole time, come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I've been sleeping with crystal in my bed. I'd rather do it instead. I gotta get it out of my own head.
Okay, so now I'm back, and remember how earlier I was saying that I just feel like the hairline wasn't necessarily pre-plucked? If you can see here, it just looks very dense. It's kind of almost screaming wig in a sense, which I'm fine with, but I'm not fine with it. Like, I don't care if people know that I'm wearing a wig personally, because I'll tell you that it's a wig. But I do like for the hairline, especially on closure wigs, to be somewhat kind of jagged, just so it can give that semi appearance of a realistic hairline. For some reason on this unit, I chose to pluck after I cut off the lace, which I would always kind of recommend plucking before you cut off the lace, but I don't know what was going through my mind this day. Now, I ended up ripping out some of the hair on the hairline just to thin it out a bit. Number one, don't do this because you can possibly rip the lace. Luckily, I didn't rip any lace, but there is a possibility to do that. I feel like I could have yanked out more, but I didn't because I also get really nervous about having a overplucked hairline. Regardless, I feel like this did help the unit out somewhat, but I feel like it also helped it out more when I went in with my concealer and my powder and added a defined part to it. Typically, I am a flip over, messy, tousled hair type of girl, but the defined part really kind of did something for me this go around. In my opinion, this unit turned out so pretty with the layers and the curls that I put into her, and even though I did cut about 2 inches off of the bottom, it still had plenty of length. Like I said, it started off as a 24 inch, and even though I cut 2 inches off, when I had all of the hair pushed to the front, it stopped right underneath my breast, and when I had all of the hair pushed to the very back, it went below my mid-back, so very long if you are someone who's looking for length. Overall, I think this unit is absolutely stunning, perfect for the fall and winter season, of course, because of the color, but I also feel like she could be worn during the spring and summer, so she's definitely a year-round unit in my opinion, and so therefore you'll definitely get your money's worth. Speaking of money's worth, I do have a coupon code that you can use, and I'll pop it up here across the screen. I want to say it'll save you anywhere between 20 to 25% off of your entire order on the entire website. But yeah, that's all I pretty much have to say about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @10Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow with another video. So, talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Yo.